Kamusta mga ate, kuya, beshi? Si Chari po ito mula sa The Sun, Moon, Stars, PH Tarot. Ipapaalam ko lang po na ito po ay isang general read o pangkahalatang pagbabasa at maaring hindi lahat ay magtugma sa inyong sitwasyon. I-check din nyo ang inyong Moon, Rising at Venus sign. Baka doon mas tumugma ang read para sa inyo. At kung ang mensahe ay tama sa inyo, paki-like lang po at mag-subscribe kung hindi pa ninyo ito ginagawa. Okay, mag-umpisa na po tayo.
Hello po mga ate, kuya, beshi. Kamusta na po kayo? Andito ulit ako si Chari para gumawa another reading, and this is for the sign of Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And of course, welcome po yung mga cross-watchers ni Virgo at ang mga bago po nating viewers. Tignan po natin kung ano yung mensahe o gustong iparating sa inyo na mababasa natin dito sa araw na ito. May tumalon. It's the 3 of Pentacles. The 2 of Pentacles. The 9 of Wands. The Chariot. The Page of Wands. And the 7 of Cups. We have the Lovers. The Wheel of Fortune. The 5 of Pentacles. And the Knight of Wands. Bottom niya is the 4 of Pentacles. Okay, Virgo. Yung pinakasentro ng ating pagbabasa ngayon ay merong kaugnayan sa pagkukooperasyon. Working together. Working together in harmony. Parang, parang magkasundo-sundo. Magkaroon ng magandang organisasyon or magkaroon ng isang goal and everybody is committed para maging maganda yung outcome. Okay, so ito yon, the 3 of Pentacles. Dito pinapakita rin kasi na yung particular galing mo o yung special skills mo na meron ka na pwede nating masabi na tinitingala ng kapwa mo nakasama sa trabaho. Kaya yung kanilang willingness na to work with you napaka ganda. Ibig sabihin andun yung willingness to work with you. Kasi alam nila na may maganda kang i-contribute sa project o sa grupo o sa inyong departamento. Kung ikaw ay isang asset, nagbibigay ka ng halaga o value sa ginagawa mo o sa nagiging trabaho mo diyan sa kumpanya if it's in a relationship, you are giving that important value or contribution sa relationship. Kasi nga andun yung taos-puso mong ibinibigay ang iyong sasang-ayon o pagtulong o bibigay ng iyong bahagi sa relasyon na ito. So in other words, hindi to yung tipong one-sided lang. Lahat is working side by side, together to achieve one goal, which is beautiful. Now, ang nagko-cross dito, yung parang in a way humahad lang dito sa maganda nating pag-uumpisa, Virgo, is something to do with the 2 of Pentacles. Ito yung enerhiya na hindi mo pa masyadong mabalanse ang mga bagay. kung gaba parang meron kang wini-weigh, no? You're trying to weigh things which is much important to you. Ito bang nasa right side ko o itong nasa left side ko? Ito bang project number 1 o project number 2? O ito bang uunahin ko ba itong personal life ko o itong aking career? Something like that. Or is it, something to do with money or family? Yun. It normally brings down to two things na parehong importante sa buhay mo na tinitignan mo maigi, wini-weigh mo kung ano ba yung mas bibigyan mo ng pansin o importansya o yung ipaprioritize mo sa paggagawa ng desisyon. Yun yung medyo parang humahadlang sa'yo para magtuloy-tuloy itong magandang pagbibigay ng magandang kooperasyon o output dito sa relationship na to o sa grupo na to. Now, take it as it resonates. Pwede kasi itong sa work o pwede to sa kaperahan, pwede to sa relationship. Now, nung nakaraan, in your past, sobra ang pag-worry mo, no? With the 9 of Wands. Hindi mo maintindihan kung anong gagawin, hindi ka makatulog, ang dami mong iniisip, masyadong clouded ang iyong isip. I mean, sa sobrang dami, hindi mo na maintindihan kung ano nang gagawin. Ganun kagulo. Magulo at indecisive ka, no? Maybe because nga, the one that's crossing this particular energy right now is you cannot decide. You cannot decide which one or what to do. Diba? What's the next thing to do? Yun yung bakit clouded yung utak mo. But you see, in the future, makikita mo kasi na you already made that decision to move forward. With the energy of the Chariot. This is an energy coming from a Cancer. Ang Chariot kasi is a very fast energy. Mabilis na enerhiya to. So it means that once you decided, bang, go tayo, push. Wala nang paligoy-ligoy pa, diretso na to. Decidido na ako. Buo na loob ko, and this is what we're gonna do. Or this is what I'm gonna do. Okay? Now, ang pinaka lumalabas na strength mo dito with the Page of Wands is, of course, yung there is this message that you keep telling yourself na, hindi, I know, kaya ko to. I know I can do this. I am so passionate with this job or with this person, with this relationship. Take it as it resonates ulit. I know what I have para dito or what I feel for this particular situation that I'm in. No? Yun yung lakas mo eh. Doon mo kinuhugot yung lakas mo. Na alam mo kung ano yun. Alam mo kung anong halaga yun sa'yo. Now, ang nagiging focus mo lang kasi is with the 7 of Cups. Again, this is something that is giving you confusion, no? Nagugulo ka tuloy. Kasi kung gaba yung dito sa strength mo, sure ka na kung ano yun, pero pagdating dito sa you're trying to focus things, ang nangyayari is yung isip mo ang daming pinupuntahan. Ang dami niyang naiisip na, teka, baka meron pa akong ibang dapat gawin o may iba pang options para sa akin na mas maganda. Bakit hindi ko to i-check? Baka ito yung sagot dun sa tanong ko o sa gusto ko o baka ito na nga yung mangyayari. Kakaganon mo, ang nangyayari tuloy, ayan, hindi ka mapakali, nagwo-worry ka na kasi nga magulong-magulo yung isip mo. But you don't want that, no? I mean, this is something in the past and this is what has focused you before. Kaya nangyayari, umalis ka dyan eh. You took yourself out of this situation. Inayos mo yung pag-iisip. You make sure what you wanted. And now, you made that important decision to move forward. Talagang, hindi, mag-move forward ako eh. Ang advice sa'yo is the Lovers. Now, this is an energy coming from a Gemini. If this is something to do with the relationship, of course, you are trying to make that decision. Kasi the lovers is also making that decision. Na siya na ba? Ito na ba? Tutuloy ko na ba tong relationship? Kasi meron pa akong hindi sure sa kanya. As if parang there's something holding me back not to really give my 100% dito sa relationship na to. Or kung sa trabaho naman to, something na parang hindi pa ako totally sure na ito na ba talaga yung dream job ko? Is this the one that I really want to, stay with this company? Ito na ba talaga yung nakikita ko na I would progress, eventually climb up the management level? Yung mga ganon. Kasi yung nag-i-influence dito sa sitwasyon na to is the Wheel of Fortune. Now, malaki tong influence na to, which is, kasi ang Wheel of Fortune is turning. Umiikot siya, hindi siya naka-stagnant, no? Hindi lang siya naka-ikot, naka-ganyan, naka-stop. Pero umiikot yung gulong. And umiikot siya sa pabor mo. So it means, kung before that, you cannot make up your decision. Now, because you made that decision eventually to move forward, kaya gumalaw yung Wheel of Fortune. Na-influensyan siya. Kaya gumagalaw siya ngayon ng maganda. Something that would elevate your situation o yung relationship nyo or mo. Now, yung hopes and fears mo, what you are fearing, yung kinakatakot mo is the 5 of Pentacles. Yung maiwanan ka. Yung hindi ka bigyan ng importansya o hindi ka napansinin o parang ibaliwala ka na lang. Now, sa relationship, of course, this could happen. Pwede rin sa job na basta once nakita nila na may ginawa ka, no, you joined this particular project or you were asked to join a particular project, and then somehow yung output niya, sabihin natin, hindi naman naging totally bad, but it's not that totally good as well. Parang average lang. So, yung kinakatakot mo is, baka next time hindi na ako kunin. Next time hindi na ako isama. Baka wala na akong next time. Yung isa pang fear, di ba? Yung takot mo. Na, mukhang hindi yata ako tatagal dito sa company na to. Of course, that would change kasi nga andito yung Wheel of Fortune. But yung ano yung pagiging outcome natin, no? With having all this fear, this doubt, this decision that needs to be made, ano yung outcome mo? The outcome is the Knight of Wands. Now, the Knight of Wands is somebody that is, very creative siya, very passionate as well. Somebody who expresses yung kanyang passion. But this person also is somebody that is not, sabihin natin, permanent. Somebody who is not consistent. Maybe kung bakit ka may doubt, meron kang questions about this relationship is because yung binibigay nitong person mo o yung pinapakita ng person mo sa'yo. Kaya parang kino-question mo na, ito ba talaga yung magiging forever ko? Ngayon parang hindi ko nakikita na magiging, yung tatagal kami because nga yung minsan yung pag-uugali niyang ganito na kino-question mo. Ngayon sa trabaho naman is, of course, kino-question mo rin na parang hindi ito yung trabaho o yung company na gusto ko talaga to work ng matagalan is because parang ano lang sila as if pang sandali lang, pang temporary, parang tipong pang kumukuha lang ako ng experience, pangkuha ko lang to na experience. Ganun yung nafe-feel mo dito. And that's why, kung gaba parang yung outcome is, you're still not that sure about it. But so far, with the Four of Pentacles, you're holding tight to this job, you're holding tight to this relationship. Kasi maybe because wala pa, no? Kung ba, you are waiting with the Three of Wands, you are waiting for that person that would truly celebrates you with the Three of Cups. Yung talagang tipong, ito, katabi ko to, kasama ko to, we both enjoy each other, and we will both have fun, and definitely, pareho kami. We're soulmates with the Two of Cups. Ito yung iniintay mo, Virgo. The one that you know will always be by your side no matter what. Ito yun, yung iniintay-intay mo. Kung gabasa ngayon, you're just there kasi nag-i-stick ka lang kasi wala pa eh. You're waiting for this to come, to happen. Kaya andyan ka lang. Kung gaba naninigurado ka. Pag dumating yon, that's the time I think that yung sinasabi nga dito, that you will move forward. Kaya nga, ito yung pinaka near future natin. You will move forward. Okay? So, I hope nakatulong ito sa'yo, Virgo. I will do the part 2 sa susunod kong reading. Abangan nyo lang yon para malaman nyo kung ano mangyayari after this reading. Okay? So, parang meron tayong part 2 o abangan ang susunod para makita nyo yung overall picture nitong reading na to. Sa ngayon, maraming salamat sa pagsama mo sa akin sa pagbasa na ito. Sa susunod po muli, ingat ka and God bless.